People, this is a house and me watch it build. And in about 2-3 months, it reach us so. Me never seen nothing like this in my life. In a Jamaica.
I only work 5 days a week.
You work 5 days.
Yeah.
What is your name, sir? What is your number?
864
1 second, stop beating. 864
03
03.
62.
So 864
03
03.
62.
So you have a workman. Are your son?
No.
So, how no work so fast, brother? How no work so fast?
Corporation, I understand. You understand?
Yeah.
Not different, man.
How long you been working with him? So how long on the start that project? 3 months.
Starting, can you remember? I the same time we started, the same time.
Well, now I get a lot more house to build because I promote it online, you see. Because I love it. I've never seen a project move so fast.
It's a work fast. I wonder when I run about down this up.
When I build another one?
No, like a construction down this up. They work fast.
Okay. But I like how they work, man, so I love it, love it. I've never seen something in 2 months go up so quick. Alright, so we have your number. And we have people who want to build things, you know. But them need trusted people. And them need... So you stay upon one job?
Yeah, because do me finish him just and you know. Normally me there me just do you know, me just spend more time on me because you can't because alright, you want one. Me take on this job. Because the next job now. You hear because I'm give you 2 days people will say, why you don't hold up my job you know because it can't finish because 2 days a week and it can't work and that was the beginning before. So you're going to create a problem now. So therefore me just do one, me just do one.
And then the people wait upon you?
No, there's somebody else.
Then, oh, you're not even...
Yeah, then get somebody else.
You're not stressed nothing?
Because you up now. See, mason work, name of me is a mason, by definition a mason. But hear the problem now.
Yeah.
Mason work take times. And one electrician, he come and now come do some work and gone.
Okay.
In space of 2 hours, 3 hours until when I did come there, mason work can spend hours on it.
Got it.
So it doesn't make sense to go take on so many one time. It doesn't work out.
Got it.
You follow me?
Got it.
It doesn't work out.
So better if somebody plans to build something, have them money ready.
Alright, so me start now. And some people now, when I tell us you send somebody come, then I want nobody come, then I just want you understand me? Yes, and you can't depend every day one time.
Do you want them to have all the money to pay you so that you don't have to stop?
No. Alright, so she reach a situation and I say, nothing now go on now. Then me move on and then she have to wait till when me ready again to come back. Because when she ready, that's the time I do something, so she have to wait now and get somebody.
Got it.
Right? Because me never sit down and wait for her.
Got it.
You follow me?
You know wait for people.
No.
And people don't wait. You just,
Yes.
you know, play the games.
No.
1 month you bought?
Actually.
Okay. How you learn that strategy?
You know what I say? You mean the work here?
How you learn to do it so you just start, finish?
Yeah.
Because some people play with people money and them jump here, so jump there, so.
No, I'm not in that. Because if you mess with me, I don't say, so, go, I'm gone.
You have a temper?
Not really temper, but...
Just tell a man your mind, just play.
You just tell a man, say,
Just tell him play.
With it. Because because definitely, me not really go on live off a paycheck to paycheck. So when me have for me liquor, me put for me to use, and again, me have no kids of mine. So, you understand me? Yes.
Okay, so you don't need,
Yes.
you don't want for
And
nothing?
again,
Okay.
because she, why me there even here for 5 days a week.
Got
Me
it.
as your friend for years, as he said.
Got it.
And that make me there here so long. Because, me know in that thing now, me soon 16. So, me no need to kill out myself again. And
Got it. So if it's a project somebody I deal with you with, be serious.
Yeah.
No time, boom, boom, boom. If a tree room, you on, do the tree first. Then you do the tree later. The tree will be done.
Yes. Yeah, me just finish it. If she say no money, then me just move on as me tell her say, and then somebody else will call me. Cause One man to tell me some amount of house, he say about 500 house at Falmouth for them, and I know me no call people because
You don't want that. You don't want that the stress
me
there.
no want get no stress and no bug down pan at all.
That's too much.
Yes.
Okay, so you like to just balance your life. It's about you, it's not
like
about...
the crowd at impact. You know, like the crowd.
So you work with one man?
Yes. No. Sometimes, even when the foundation, we have more when I the cast.
Yeah. But once it's done,
yes.
I'm done. I love how you work because...
The man, because you pull up my phone there, so now. Me have to walk up and now with my phone.
And see if you have somebody take up your phone.
Somebody now will take up my phone. But when you have so much money on the side, you have to keep your phone because you don't know who to
And you told them to?
You see, because right, that's my leave to them my finger.
Wow.
And a few tool me can't get every tool here still. You understand? Me just get one. And whenever more other tool, me bring it come.
Okay.
But me just think them. I just somewhere.
I love it. Good job. I'm Randy Pottinger. Every now and then, my spirit tell me see something. I say, no, this different. This different because I've never seen in my life something. Come here and watch when the thing them do drop, Come and live over there, sir. Right across the street.
Okay.
So then me I said, what wait? What wait? How come?
I mean, they were easy work.
And how much room is this? Two room, big room. But it's beautiful. Wow. Cause me see another man that build something and him dip on one, then he dip on the other, then he dip on the other. Look here. If you're not ready,
no sense, because me no like left from one place to the other, up and run up and down and that. And if you go in 2 days a week, and at the same time, say 2 days a week, you know why you go in now? You go tell me, say me the whole up in job now because me starting work.
Yeah.
So you know why I start work.
No. Might as well when you're free.
Yes, when me free, fine.
Yes.
Yeah, when me free, fine. And I will think like.
Wow. Well, yeah, work like the Chinese, them.
Yeah, one man from Parish Council come here and say, oh my God, they like how they work so straight and they block them straight and so on. It's a big man, me not give me number. Because me not can manage work.
Stress.
Me can't just much work one time. I want me.
So then wait, my people that watch the video, they might go book you a year or...
Me just tell them sorry.
But still, if they call you a year and drop all the $5,000 for you, for just wait time. You don't have to go buy them out,
You don't really go for money, You sometimes money to work out, If you follow money,
Yeah.
kill you.
Okay.
If you follow money, I will take people money and say this and that.
So how long you working with this man?
All right. By Monday last day, me and then gone, My work fly out.
Oh, how many years you been working with him?
Yeah, so no one then when him the boat, me have I have things in the months.
But I him as the speed man with you.
Me used to have my son with him, but
Well, respect, boss.
it's not right, so my son is after ease off.
Respect here. Him good man.
Yeah. Can't work, man. Can't work. Can't work.
No joke business.
Yes, can't work.
Well, I've never seen nothing like it. You look like the Chinese mechanic them. Alright, get back to work.
Yeah, man.
Give them your number again slowly.
864-0362.
Respect.
Yeah, man.
Later, boss. Oh, so you are the steel man. So you are the third man of the team. Okay. Alright, well, we have a nice team. And may I put it out to the world. So work can always forward. Good job.